Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a colorful comic styles artwork using CapCut. It's completely free and super easy. And then in here we will be using the final multi-comic styles AI templates that instantly turns your picture into a cool comic panels. And okay, let's get started. First, just go to CapCut and then just look at the bottom menu and then just tap on template, this one. And then this is where all the trending AI effects will appear. And once you're inside the template sections, just tap on the search bar at the top, just type the trend multi comics. Like this. And then you will see the final templates with multiple animated comic panels, usually with bold outlines and then dramatic colors, colorful colors like this. And when you see it, just tap on this template, this one, just tap on it. Okay, like this. And then next, just tap on use template. And then just choose any picture that you want. It can be a selfie, a full body shot, a pet photo, anything will work. And then for example like this, and then once you're done, just tap on next. Okay, like this. Just like that, your photo becomes a vibrant comic artwork like this. You will see bold outlines and then pop art color tones, comic style shading, multiple flowing comic panels, and then it also has smooth animated transitions. It looks like something straight out of a digital comic book. It's super cool for social media posts or maybe reels or TikToks. And okay, that's it. Once you're happy with the results, you can tap on export at the top right corner, this one, and then your comic styles masterpiece is now ready to share. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn any photo into a colorful animated comic art using CapCut multi comics template, and it's all for free. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.